Hello, my name is Annissa Roberts, and I work at the Lithonia-Davidson Library, and I do adult programming. Today, we're going to do a quick salsa. This salsa calls for minimal ingredients, and it's very, very quick to make. So, we'll get started with me. This is a half a cup of onions. I like the red onions because it gives the salsa more color. I'm going to add jalapeno pepper, 1 jalapeno pepper. I like to leave some of the membrane in because it gives it a little heat, not too much because my mom can handle heat, but it's just going to have just a tiny bit. So cut those up. This is basically a 1/4 of cilantro. I'm not a big fan of cilantro, but the recipe called for it, so I'll go ahead and add it. The recipe calls for 3 whole cloves of garlic, then mild chilies. So I usually just get Rotel and just pour that in the blender. This is a 12-ounce can of whole tomatoes. Now I have a blender that's very, very sentimental to me because she works when she wants to sometimes. So she's not fond of audience, but she's gonna get a little taste. This is a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. That's just to taste. Then you want lime juice, so I just take a whole lime and I just squeeze me out some lime. The lime juice helps with the acidity. So now, see how quick and simple that was? At this point, I'm going to go ahead and I'm gonna pulse it first, and then I'll actually put it on blend. You see how it's changing colors? Now I'll put it on blend. Take a look at it because you want your salsa to have some thickness to it. And see, there you go. You see the color of the cilantro, the garlic clove, and then there's the red tomatoes. I'm sorry, the red onions. Okay. Now, I'm just gonna pulse it a couple more times. And that's your homemade salsa. So this needs to chill for I let it chill right in the blender for about an hour, and I serve it with my centenitas. And that's your homemade salsa. And I want to thank you for joining me, Recipes with Annissa Roberts. Have a good day and be safe.
Oh, good.